Hi guys, it's Rae. I'm on like take 4 of trying to get my winner done. My screen recorder failed, then the whole video got eaten. Luckily, I do still have the screenshot of the winner because it really wouldn't have been fair for me to redraw after I had a first initial winner. So take whatever I'm on for. But this is for the winner of the Resiners bubble remover machine. Plus the extra goodies that I picked out to go with it. I'm not going to show those. I'm going to let them be a surprise for her. So I'm going to put the picture of the screenshot up right here so you can read her comments. But my winner was Phyllis Gast. So congratulations, Phyllis. I am going to need you to email me. I will put my email down in the description box because I don't think you already have it. I don't think we've interacted outside of here. I know you're a regular viewer and you comment a lot, so, and I always love that for a regular viewer when they win one of my giveaways. But I'm going to need to email me and then we'll verify that you are you. And I will get this shipped out sometime this week. I'm not sure exactly when because it kind of depends on when I leave the house, because I think by the time I box this up, it's going to be too big to go in my mailbox. So, but yeah, congratulations, Phyllis. Email me and we will get everything sorted out. So congrats. We'll probably do another giveaway at 15,000 subs unless I find something between now and then to give away. But we're quite a bit from that, so it's probably going to be a little bit, but I'll probably start accumulating stuff for that giveaway soon. And on my other channel, when we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do a giveaway over there. So I've already kind of started to compile stuff for that giveaway as well. So if you're not subscribed on my other channel, it is linked down below. It's always linked down below. That's kind of different than this channel. Some stuff kind of overlaps, but yeah. So that'll probably be my next giveaway because I'm just over 100 away from hitting the 1,000 over there. So if you want to be able to get in on that giveaway, think about subscribing over there too. So that is it. Again, congratulations, Phyllis. Keep your eyes peeled for next giveaways, and I will see you soon.